So there's this software I've been using for some time now to transfer files between my iPhone and my laptop. It is quite reliable and it is free. Although it has a premium version, it is free and comes with the free version comes with about 15 gigabytes of storage space. The name of the application is Sendanywhere. Sendanywhere. All what is required is for you to download the application onto your desktop, that is the desktop version, and also download the mobile version on your iPhone. After downloading, you need to sign in with your Gmail account, and subsequent to signing in, you can go ahead to use the application. Well, I have it already installed on my desktop and also on my phone, so I wouldn't go through the downloading process, but it's quite easy to download it. Now when you are done downloading and you input your Gmail account and sign into the Sendanywhere application, to send a file, I'm going to send a file using my laptop onto my iPhone. You open the Sendanywhere application, click on drop files or transfer folders here, that is the plus sign. Click on it. It will take you to your files manager. Assuming I want to transfer this chapter 1 feedback onto my iPhone, I'll click on the file, click on open. Then Sendanywhere is going to generate a code. Once the code is generated, you have up to 10 minutes to utilize the code, and it is very simple. All you have to do is to open the mobile version of the Sendanywhere and input the code on your iPhone for it to download the file you are sharing. So once the transfer is complete, you have the file as part of your history, and as you can see, this is the name of my iPhone and the file has been downloaded successfully. So that is basically how it is done, transferring files from your iPhone to your laptop or a laptop. In case you want to transfer from your iPhone onto your laptop, all that you need to do is go through the same process. Open the Sendanywhere application on your iPhone, click on a plus sign. It will take you to your manager, your files, and then select the particular file, video, picture, or whatever you want to share with your laptop. Then the Sendanywhere app will generate a code with which you input onto your laptop to download whatever you wanted to share with your laptop. So that is basically how files are shared with the Sendanywhere app. Thanks for watching, and please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to enable my growth and also inspire me to do more videos like this.